Blockchain enabled for resource access and granting. Abstract. In the era of evolving computer networks, cloud, edge, and fog services have been pivotal. While cloud services offer convenient data storage, they suffer from latency issues. Edge servers mitigate this but pose similar concerns due to their static locations. Document. In document we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. This is the signing with the application and then press submit button to get output. In this page, user details saved in blockchain and similarly add another user as subscriber. This is the service provider login page. In this page, providers can add their fork services with cost and processing power and then click button to add fork detail to blockchain. This is the subscriber login page. In above screen, user can view list of service providers and then click here, link beside any provider to subscribe them and get output. In above screen, service authenticated, and now user can browse and choose any file and then click on submit button to save that file in form. If user can view list of files and then click here, link to download that file and now log out and log in as providers to view list of subscribers.